Meal prep for my dog. Alright, there's treats on the top that fall into the bottom as he wobbles it around. He really loves that. Okay. I'm throwing in a Napa cabbage in there as well because it was going bad. I just cut off the bits that were going bad. Yep. Our little biological garbage disposal. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Liver, peas, carrots, cabbage, and a half cup of white rice. I fished out a piece of lamb from the stew. Why is your mouth so dirty? Bugs. It's cute. Cat's always here. You're good. Oh my goodness. Oh. You're so nice. You're so nice. It's always chilling in our front yard. Got her and another friend. Okay. Alright, I'm going in.
I'm taking a video of like the better batch.
I just got home to my wife cooking. What is this? You made it one time before.
It's called ham or chao
Chag Dao. Is Vietnamese.
dao.
Pork in there.
But yeah, there's pork. I didn't put what do you
A
remember?
fish sauce with Thai chilies and lemon. It's bomb. That's the unfried version. What it looks like.
Yeah.
What kind of wrapper is this? Rice wrapper?
It's a rice paper wrapper. That's not crunchy.
No, there's crunchy bits. Yeah, some pieces are chewy, some pieces are crunchy. It's really good with the sauce. We got instant coffee. Trying out this hyped. Oh, it's not hyped. I've never heard of it.
I heard of it. It's a very like fancy instant coffee brand.
Ooh. Whoa, what's up with the inside? Bacha?
Oh, this is like
Bacha.
it's like tissue paper.
It's
Whoa.
instant drip. See.
We got this is a nice box.
Magic
Istanbul,
Milano morning.
Magic Istanbul and Milano morning. I think Milano morning is the one that.
You can go online and, or maybe they'll have the tasting notes
Yeah,
on the box.
this is really nice. Actually. Ooh, okay. Wow.
Wow, it's so fancy.
I know.
$25 each.
It better be good. I mean,
I think
they
there's
give you some instructions right here.
what, 24 coffee packs.
Yeah.
It's like the drip instant pouch that you stretch over a cup. And
Yeah.
then you pour hot water over it.
Yeah.
This is the last bag of these special beans that we got from Korea. A place called 10%, the small chain coffee Got the whole dark roast beans.
So good.
It's really good. We had to record this last bag.
They're like glistening.
Oh yeah, let's get closer.
Oh.
It's nice and shiny.
This will be a little bit at a time.
The grind size is set to 2. It's trial and error. We'll see what grind size works better. I think last time it was 2 or 3. Yeah. Tamp it.
You're gonna get roasted for not having a not properly.
This is a basic espresso setup. It's okay.
Not.
It's easy.
It's for the everyday
Yeah.
person. Let me get a cup.
We get a close up.
Kind of.
Is it in range?
It's getting there.
Oh, almost.
I think we need to adjust it a little bit more.
I think the grind size is good. I think we just need to put in a little bit more grounds. Okay. Like some water left on top still. That usually means the grinds are a little too small.
No.
She spilled it everywhere.
Stop.
She pulled the wand out because she was looking at me. Yeah. Recording it now.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah. Just waiting to meet up. Good old Craigslist meet up. Alright. I'm gonna try this Bacha coffee. Milano morning. 2 out of 5 strength level. Oh. Let's see what it do. I got my water heated up to 203 like recommended Fahrenheit. Oh, it smells really good already. Coffee in the bag. It smells like it kind of smells like sweetened.
Oh, like there's like sugar in there.
Yeah.
But there's no milk in there, right? It's just coffee.
I think so, yeah. And then oh, I think I have to rip this open first. It says there's an opening with the arrow. Oh, it's covered. Oh.
Comes with directions.
Yeah, you just rip it open. Oh yeah, directions there. Oh wow, look at that. Got the grounds just like exposed. This is a lot more grounds than the Korean version of these pouches I've seen. This came from like Singapore or something.
Oh, it smells really good.
Uh-huh.
Can you smell it?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah. And then just pour that water in. Oh god.
I feel like you should. Oh.
I know, it's not angled right, huh? There you go. That's good right there.
Slowly pour water here over the coffee until you fill the cup. Yeah, basically. So I think you should just let it settle a little.
You know, it smells good, but definitely doesn't smell like it's just coffee in here. It smells like they doctored it up a little. They doctored it. I don't know. Kind of smells like hot chocolate a little bit.
It could be that.
Or it could just be some good ass beans. I don't know, it looks pretty promising.
It's good, actually.
Maybe my cup is too big. Yeah, it's okay. I like my village cup. I wanted to show it off. It's got like a little townscape on there. Alright, I guess while I wait for this thing to drain, I'm gonna read the notes here. Milano morning, fine flavored coffee, the timeless calm of Milan's Gothic spires and medieval castles contrasts with the deafening morning traffic. Meanwhile, the aroma of coffee whets the appetite as you casually walk along narrow cobblestone streets. The energy of this Italian city is distilled into a cup, accented by hints of bitter chocolate squares and sweet notes of melting brioche. Divine. Okay. We'll see about that. Coffee is to the bottom of the bag. Squeeze it. Alright, I'm gonna give this a taste. It's good. It's subtle. It's good. It's like a really light, fragrant coffee. I think I poured a little bit too much water in, but it's super smooth. Slightly tastes like instant. Doesn't quite taste like a coffee shop, but it's still pretty good. I'd have this again. Kind of expensive. It's like $25 a box.
How would you compare it to other instant coffees like that?
It's better. It feels more. There's like a lot more subtle flavors and hints of different flavors and notes in it.
Oh, it's good. It's really light. It's
Yeah.
not. It's not sour at all, which I appreciate.
All right. I just want to do like an unpackaging of a new pan that I just got. It's a 10 1/4 inch carbon steel pan. It's really light. I just got it. I just took it out of the box. It just came packaged in a big cardboard box with just brown paper, no bubble wrap or nothing. The pan should be strong. Comes in a little sack. It's from De Beyers, by the way. It's the blue carbon steel. It's like their cheapest one. It was on sale for 4th of July. I got it for like $30, but shipping was like $12. And okay. I think the cheapest one, the handle is not coated, so you can put it in the oven. They have a medium line that the handle's coated, and you got to put it. It's got an oven limit. But okay. Decided to try this out. We're gonna make some fish later. So I'll try frying it in there. I'll heat it up and then season it first real quick. Instructions for it. Before first use, you gotta wash it with soapy water, dry immediately, and then season it. Pour 1 millimeter oil in the pan. A neutral oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil. Avoid olive oil. Heat the oil to smoke point, turn off the heat, allow to cool off, remove oil, wipe the pan down with a tissue paper or paper towel. Heat the pan again for 2 minutes without any oil, and then the pan should be ready to use, it says. Oh shit. It's hot. It's hot already. It heats up fast. It heats up faster than my Lodge cast iron right here. Avocado oil going in. Is it 1 mil of oil? Turn the heat back on. Alright. I turned the fire off. Hit the smoke point already, I think. Alright, that's about 2 minutes. Like a pattern formed. Pattern of the wiped oil. After it cools, I'm probably gonna give it another wipe with a wet paper towel. All right, so sorry, the kitchen is a mess right now, but I'm just gonna show you the fish I was talking about. I'll show you how to marinate it. This is a milkfish, Filipino Bangus. I think like maybe like half a cup each of soy sauce and vinegar, or maybe not a half cup of soy sauce, maybe a few tablespoons. These serranos were very old and not the freshest, but it'll do. Oh, this is the fish that we're gonna make. It's milkfish, or bangus in Tagalog or Filipino. It's about 1 cup of vinegar in there, a few tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 chopped serranos. That's it. And just marinate for I think a few hours, and then you can just fry it up in oil, dry it and fry it up in oil, or you can bread it in flour, I think, and then fry it. But you don't have to. Yeah. Brown butter?
Mm-hmm. Brown butter and chocolate.
Brown butter and chocolate.
Bittersweet chocolate and extra dark chocolate.
Okay, now you put the chocolate into the brown butter, and then
This is eggs, brown sugar, granulated sugar, salt, vanilla extract.
enough to fry it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just cover the bottom.
Yeah, cover the bottom of the pan. The pan is probably hot AF.
Already, yeah.
Oh, look at that sizzle.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Just spitting.
No, that's not. I had some flour on my finger and I flicked it at it. So skin side down first.
Yeah, skin side down first.
Hello.
Wow.
I hope it doesn't stick because this is the first thing I'm cooking on here.
Beautiful.
I don't want any steamed skin. I need that crisp skin. Oh, it's coming loose.
Oh, nice.
Yo, it's loose.
Wow.
Oh shit.
That's right, Lily.
Celebration. What is this called?
You're liking
Cast steel.
Your De Beyers, made in France. Bougie on a budget.
Cast steel pan. What is it called?
I don't know. You bought it.
Carbon steel.
Cast steel.
Carbon steel pan.
Steel.
I'm a fan. I love it. Shoot. Okay. We're going in.
You don't want to overcook it.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Careful.
It's okay to flip it more than once. Okay. I don't subscribe by the you only flip once rule. Oh god. I don't want to flip it towards us, but that's what's gonna happen. Alright. That looks good. That looks really good. Go ahead. Close your eyes.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
It's kind of scary.
a little odd because the piece is so big. There we go. Is it possible to overcook this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna flip it so the skin is up. Ooh.
Oh, that looks really good actually. Nice.
There we go. No, I moved it already, but it didn't stick at all. Now it's ready to go. Flip it now. I was looking at made-in pans.
Oh yeah, because of the bakeware that I like.
Yeah, I wanted a 10-inch pan that we can use every day. And I was looking at Made-in, and Made-in had some carbon steel pans. So I was looking up reviews, and the YouTube guy said De Beyers, this brand, is the one that makes the carbon steel pan for Made In. So I was like, oh shoot, like I always like to go to the source. Yeah, so I looked it up and it was like $30 compared to whatever Made In was charging. So I bought it on sale.
The brand, I mean brand name.
Yeah.
Obviously marked up.
Yeah. They make the 10-inch pan, I think, for the Made In. Okay. Check good on this. Watch out! Hey! He never ever has gotten in, but.
This is like cooked already. Look at this. Okay.
Oh, does look good. Scared it's gonna be too cakey?
Yeah, it's freaking chopstick came out clean, which is not ideal, but that's fine.
Overdone. Well, okay, it might need to chill for a little bit. That one's crispy though. Overall, first day using this pan, I like it.
Is that you? She's not intending to yell, but she speaks louder.
Successful. Nice. Alright, sorry. You did it! Keep going! Kizuna. Which one is that one from? We weren't supposed to eat out. I ate too fast. Oh.
No hardware on it, but I'm totally getting screwed.
I'm going cross-eyed looking at this.
Goddamn, what should I have to wash?
You have to get a sweet treat because we were so disappointed in the curry.
I wasn't so disappointed. I'm just saying I can make it better.
Yeah, definitely.